Hello and welcome everyone to Gold Asset of the Day for the 30th of March 2022, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So here we are at the end of the quarter and also, of course, the last week of March here. And what are we seeing? End of month profit taking, end of quarter profit taking, outflows and big opportunities to buy in much lower here on many commodities. In fact, exactly as we talked you through last week. So here's last week's report. Be mindful that we've got the end of the quarter. So what I would expect going into next week would be profit taking and potential outflows at the end of the month, at the end of the quarter, again, setting up for some massive opportunities then as we move into the 1st of April. So there we have it. Everything has now played out. We've seen over a 700-point pullback on gold over the last two sessions. We've also seen platinum prices break down 900 points. Palladium prices have broken down 5,000 points, and silver prices, they dropped over 3%. All of this, though, has set up for big opportunities to capitalize. Gold, last week we talked you through the ranges spot on. Look for buying at 1910. Look to be taking profit at the 1960 zone. That worked out for a 500-point profit for ourselves and our clients and you if you took the opportunity last week. So essentially, for every one lot contract that you'd be trading on a 500-point breakout, that's $5,000 of profit. For every 10 lot contract that you'd be trading, that's $50,000 of profit. Now this week, we've already built into a number of new positions on gold, all the way down to 1891. So I perceive again that 1890 zone up towards the 1910 area as a great zone for accumulation for gold this week. And essentially, once we get towards the end of the week and we move into a new quarter, new month as we move into April, and also Friday's non-farm payroll data, I am expecting a slingshot move higher for the metals. Now, not only for gold, but many of the other precious metals and industrial metals that we are trading as well. But I keep this very focused to gold at the moment. So let me repeat that. This week we've executed further positions on gold all the way down to 1891. I still like gold for accumulation up towards the 1900s as we move into the month of April. Remember what we talked you through to expect all of this, the profit taking, the outflows, as you get towards the end of the month. That has all played out. Now I'm looking for that slingshot move higher. In terms of hedge funds and money managers, currently 80% are long this market. It's also very similar for silver and platinum too. Now, as we go into the end of this week, we are going to see some big volatility on the non-farm payroll news items. So you want to look at that for further opportunities to either bank into strength or take advantage to sniper in if we do get any sudden moves here on the metals towards the end of this week. And again, I do hope that none of you FOMO'd in last week. We banked our profits last week into strength when we had the breakout up to the 1960 zone. We capitalized and locked in profits, and then we've taken the opportunity to reload at much lower prices. Again, if you want to upgrade your income, you have to upgrade your skills. This is where you need to learn and understand the daily cycles, the weekly, the monthly for each commodity. Learn the capital flows in the market. We've seen a great example of that over this week. Learn the key areas of liquidity. Alongside that, the intermarket correlations, the ratios, and also the statistics, market intelligence, the key areas of liquidity, and of course the impact of major news items, geopolitics, fundamentals, and macroeconomics, and further compound that with the knowledge and understanding of how the hedge funds, money managers, banks, and institutions are positioned in real time. That will help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.